married a year ago. The job is at the highway maintenance center.
Are you hungry?
What?
Are you hungry?
Alright.
Hey?
Take him to normally.
Are you hungry?
To Rebel Yard, it's about 45 minutes. An hour at the most if there's traffic.
Arrives at 8:30.
Come here.
So he would have been heading down to his car around 7:30 that morning.
Go on your perch.
3:30 in the afternoon.
3:30.
Come here.
Okay then. That's 8 hours. Perfect. Now get your thinking caps on. His wallet was untouched, so we can rule out it being a robbery. Give me some other ideas.
I got one.
Probably a conspiracy theory if I know you.
Actually, it's pretty normal. So, there's a lawyer. He also lives in that building.
Mm-hmm. And?
Maybe
Good
he was
job.
about the wrong guy.
Maybe. Wrong victim. Write it down. Talk to the lawyer. Bernie, what about you?
Right. Well, I wouldn't rule anything out. We've got the classic trio.
Where you going?
Classics.
What are you doing?
Well, what?
Seriously, Bernie.
Where you going? Hey?
Use it. Why do we have it?
Because we like to keep you on your toes, don't we, Bernie?
Where you going?
Whiteboard because of you. All right. There's drugs. There's money. And love. No stone unturned. Wife's a nurse. Check the hospital. Friends. Family, too. If he got along well with people. If he had any problems.
What?
You get what I'm saying. I want to know the song they played at his wedding. Go.